My name is Zach Vaslow. I'm the medical director of neuro-oncology at Cone Health Cancer Center. And we in the race committee are really pleased and excited to announce the first annual Elm Street Run, which is a 10-mile run we're going to be having up and down Elm Street in Greensboro. And also along with that, we'll have a 1-mile brain tumor survivors and remembrance walk for brain tumor patients, their families, friends, and loved ones. We'll also have a 1-mile Elm Street Run, which will be for youth runners, beginning runners, anybody who wants to just walk up and down downtown, get a t-shirt and a medal. So we'll have that as well. So we're excited to be doing this for the first time and hopefully for many years to come. What started all this was really to put together something for the brain tumor community. And we knew that we wanted to do something that was not just about the patients, but also about the patients' caretakers, caregivers, family, friends, loved ones, and also, you know, patients that have passed on and their families and caregivers that still want to be involved and contribute in some way. We wanted to make sure that they were included, and this community is bigger than just the patient and doctor thing. This is it's a special group of people, and it's a special community that's gone through something difficult together, and we wanted to do something to recognize that. And we are going to be working with a charity called Triad Be Headstrong, which is an all-local charity. So it's a group that got started about 2013 or 2014, and it's a local charity. You know, there's great work that's done by these big national groups like National Brain Tumor Society, things like that, but there's also something to be said for kind of home base. And I think we were really excited with the opportunity to work with a group that was excited and motivated and looking for an event and an opportunity that was local, and it was going to go straight to local patients and providers and service lines. And you know, right now there's been a lot of difficulty with getting access for some people to not just healthcare in general, but also to specific chemotherapy drugs. We have a short list of drugs that are approved by the FDA for brain tumors, and one of them's gone up in price by like 10,000% and is no longer going to be covered by Medicare. And that's really scary for patients, for loved ones, and also, you know, it makes our job difficult. Nobody wins in that scenario, you know, except for some people who own the drug patent. And so we want to do something about that. And a lot of times that involves just giving people Target gift cards or a little bit of cash to help get a drug that might help them live a little bit longer. And so that's one example of that's at the top of the list of things we're trying to do right now with just the money that we'll raise in the short term. I'm a runner, so running's always on my mind. So we thought, why wouldn't we pair a walk, the Survivors and Remembrance walk downtown, with a larger community event? I mean, number one, you get people in the community that maybe don't know anybody that's had a brain tumor, and they get to kind of be part of that for a morning and to commune with people that are going through that journey. There hasn't really been a run that's kind of gone up and down Elm Street, and it's kind of difficult to do it. It's difficult to put it on, but it's something that could be very special, and it's something that we wanted to put on an event that we could kind of plant a seed in the ground and water over a number of years. The race will start right around here outside of Natty Greens, who's one of our race sponsors, and we'll go straight up Elm Street all the way through downtown past the Tanger Center. Right around the Tanger Center will be the 1-mile turnaround for the Survivors Walk and also the 1-mile run walk. So that'll be an exciting part of the course, and then we'll head in through Fisher Park for a little detour, go by the Julian Price House in Fisher Park, and then we'll keep heading north all the way up through Elm Street, cut all the way underneath the Wendover Bridge, go past Moses Cone Hospital, where my bosses live, and we'll keep going up through Irving Park and go across Cone Boulevard, take a left on Willoughby and go through New Irving Park, and almost at about Pisgah Church we'll have a turnaround and we'll run essentially the reverse, so it'll be an out and back. Most of the race will be on Elm Street. And that was kind of the vision for the run, and that's what we're going to try to make happen on May 1st. So it'll be Sunday, May 1st at 8 a.m. and I think it'll be a lot of fun. All runners and walkers will be getting a t-shirt and a medal. We have vendors who will be set up outside in the staging area. Natty Greens has offered to open their doors early at 10 a.m. for kind of a post-run party get-together. So we're looking forward to that. We've got some prize money set aside for the elite and sub-elite runners in the area, and we're inviting people really from all over the state to come and hopefully make this a really high-quality event for the faster runners as well. But it's really for everybody. Yeah, if you can't make the whole 10 miles, you can do the 1 mile and just stick around downtown. So there's going to be a lot of fun to be had, and we're excited about putting on a quality event.
Eddie Wooten, runningshorts.org.